Okay, this is my kitten and the kitten is very hungry right now. Let's give my kitten some food. Let's give it, oops, let me add some milk. Okay, let's just add some biscuits. Okay, let's give some biscuits to my kitten. Kitten loves this biscuits. Yes. And I'm going to add some warm milk here. It is winter now and it is winter now and the milk gets really cold, so it is very important to give your kitten warm milk. Oh, my kitty loves milk so much. And you can see very well that the fur of this kitten has grown a bit, and this is all because of the kitten biscuits I give to it. It has all the vitamins and the necessary minerals in it, the required meat diet as well. So now it's been like about 2.5 weeks when I found this kitten. It was very thin and really little, but now the kitten has grown up, become healthier, much healthier, and the fur is really good. You can see the kitten looks really healthy now and is eating its biscuits eagerly. The kitten has learned to eat all these biscuits in the hard form. First, I used to give it biscuits dipped in milk. Now the kitten enjoys its biscuits in this solid form. Okay, this is my kitten house, and here the kitten comes out. Kitten feels very comfortable inside this house. It can accommodate easily 4 to 5 kittens, and as you can see, my kitten has grown up a bit. It's been 2.5 weeks, and you can see from the kitten size and fur that it has been eating a good healthy diet. The kitty really loves its biscuits and the milk. These biscuits are full of all the nutrients required for a kitten, the healthy minerals and vitamins, the meat of fish and chicken as well. The kitten has become a lot more healthier. It was very thin when I found it. Meow. Meow. Okay, kitty. I still haven't named my kitten yet. If you have any good names, do tell me below in the comments. You can eat your biscuits, kitty. These biscuits have a certain smell that attracts the kittens towards it. I also found many other stray cats coming towards it, but then I shoot them away because these biscuits are for this little cute kitten. Those bigger cats are the stray cats and they can find their food from their hard work, but my kitten is now all dependent on me Oh, I guess the biscuits are finished now and the kitten needs more biscuits. Okay, wait. Let me go and get you more biscuits. It's bye for now. I'm gonna get my kitten more biscuits. Okay, see you again sometime. Okay, and this is the clay pot I used. I'm using for the potty training of my kitten. The kitten just comes here and push away the soil and do its stuff. And I've added some more biscuits for my kitten. Kitten really loves the biscuits. Oh, it's so cute and all grown up. I'm really glad how my kitten turned out after this kitten little nibble biscuits diet. And the milk, the fur has grown up. The kitten looks much healthier and playful again. You wanna play? Let's play. You wanna play? Meow. You wanna play? Meow. You wanna play? You wanna play? Up. No, don't bite me. Don't bite me, you naughty kitty. Don't bite me. Go eat your food. Come on, go. Go there, eat your food. Do your business and stuff. I guess you are sleepy now. The kitten is full already. I think you should go inside your house. Not here. No. You wanna cuddle? You wanna play? You wanna play, little cutie? Aww. Okay, come here. Let's make you sit in your house. Okay, go now. Okay, go inside the house. Sit there. Uh-oh, you are not interested inside the house. The kitten really wants to play with me. Okay, I'm ending this video, and when I will go back, the kitten will get inside its house on its own.